Are you dreading the thought of shoveling snow off your car again this winter? Or maybe you're worried about the damage heavy snowfall can cause. You're not alone. Many car owners struggle with keeping their vehicles protected in harsh winter weather. But don't worry. Today, we're diving into the top 5 carports built to handle snow, giving you reliable solutions to keep your vehicle safe and sound. Check the link in the description for more details. Let's jump right in. Next, number 5, Sannwsg Carports 20x20 Heavy Duty. When it comes to winter vehicle protection, size really matters. The Sannwsg Carport isn't just big, it's a full-scale protection system with an impressive 20x20 footprint. And let's talk about durability. Its powder-coated steel frame isn't just aesthetics, it's built to resist rust and corrosion, standing strong against tough weather conditions. But what truly makes this carport stand out? Smart design. Ever dealt with moisture buildup inside a shelter? It's frustrating, and over time, it can lead to serious damage. That's where the roll-up ventilation windows come in. They allow air to circulate, preventing condensation from forming inside. And for added flexibility, the removable sidewalls let you switch between a fully enclosed shelter and an open air space whenever you need it. Now, let's be real. Nothing is perfect. While this carport comes with useful extras like solar lights and windproof sandbags, some users have pointed out concerns about the frame's durability under heavy snow load. A few reported issues with bent poles or structural weaknesses. It's a good reminder that even heavy-duty options have their limits. On the bright side, assembly is a breeze. No tools required, numbered parts, and straightforward instructions mean you can set this up faster than most competitors. But keep in mind, quick assembly doesn't always mean long-term durability. Number 4, VEVOR Carport Replacement Canopy. Now, here's an interesting twist on vehicle protection. Unlike a full carport, the VEVOR Carport Replacement Canopy is designed for those who already have a frame but need a strong, reliable cover. And let's be honest, replacing a worn-out canopy is way more cost-effective than buying an entirely new structure. So what makes this one stand out? Durability. The 210-gram P-lastic woven top and 180-gram side panels aren't just about providing shade. They offer solid protection against the elements. And if you're worried about harsh weather, the double-layer heat-sealed seams and UV 50+ protection have you covered. Literally. Nobody wants a canopy that falls apart after just one season, and VEVOR seems to understand that. The waterproof coating ensures your vehicle stays dry even in heavy rain or snow. But let's talk about installation. On the surface, elastic ball bungees and Velcro attachments sound super convenient. And they are. But there's one small catch, a 2 to 4 inch gap between the canopy edges and the frame. That might not seem like a big deal, but in heavy snowfall, it could leave your vehicle exposed to the elements. Now, here's something cool. This canopy isn't just for cars. If you love hosting outdoor gatherings, it can double as a party tent for weddings, celebrations, or backyard events. Pretty versatile, right? Of course, no product is perfect. Some users raved about the quality, while others reported tearing after a short period. So, while it offers great protection, long-term durability is something to consider. What do you think? Would you trust the VEVOR canopy for your car or next big event? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Number 3, Quictent 10x20 feet heavy-duty carport. Carports aren't one-size-fits-all, and that's exactly why the Quictent 10x20 feet heavy-duty carport stands out. It takes a different approach, with a reinforced structure and adaptable design that makes it more than just a basic shelter. And those extra top reinforcement poles? They're not just a fancy add-on, they actually boost the structural integrity, giving your vehicle a stronger, more stable shield against harsh weather. Now, here's something impressive. Roll-up ventilated windows. This isn't just about keeping snow off your car, it's about creating an ideal environment year-round. In summer, you can open them up for airflow, keeping things cool and reducing moisture buildup. In winter, you can seal it tight, adding that extra layer of protection against the cold. And let's talk about durability. The galvanized steel framework isn't just for looks. It's built to resist rust and corrosion, ensuring long-term reliability. Plus, the industrial-grade cover fabric means you're not just getting a quick fix. you're making a real investment in your vehicle's protection. And the best part? You can set it up in under an hour, which is a huge advantage for anyone who values convenience. Of course, no product is without its downsides. Many users love the easy setup and reasonable pricing, but opinions on durability are mixed. Some found it to be sturdy and reliable, while others questioned its ability to withstand extreme weather. That said, Quictent's warranty speaks volumes. Lifetime coverage on connectors and a 1-year warranty on the cover shows they stand behind their product. Number 2. Advance Outdoor 10 by 15 feet Carport. If versatility had a champion in the carport world, the Advance Outdoor 10 by 15 feet Carport would be leading the pack. With 4 adjustable height settings, ranging from 6.5 to 8 feet on the sides, and a peak height of 9.5 to 11 feet, you're not locked into a one-size-fits-all setup. Whether you need clearance for a car, truck, or even an outdoor workspace, this adapts to your needs. Now, let's talk about protection. The waterproof canopy isn't just a claim, it's serious defense against whatever the seasons throw at you. Made from triple-layer 180-gram polyethylene fabric, it blocks out sun, wind, rain, dust, hail, and snow. When it comes to comprehensive coverage, this one delivers. Of course, stability is just as important. The 1.5-inch diameter galvanized steel poles with 6 solid legs create a sturdy foundation. And with thick connectors and an included anchoring system, you won't have to worry about this carport taking flight at the first sign of a winter storm. But let's be real, no carport is indestructible. Some customers loved the design, but others mentioned concerns about fabric durability and pole bending under heavy weight. It's a good reminder that even heavy duty has its limits. And then there's setup. A tool-free installation that supposedly takes just 30 minutes with 2 people? Sounds fantastic. But remember, speed doesn't always mean perfection. On the bright side, the 1-year quality assurance on poles and covers adds some peace of mind, though it's not an all-encompassing guarantee. Number 1. Real Relax 20 by 20 feet metal carport. If size and durability came together to create the ultimate carport, it would be the Real Relax 20 by 20 feet metal carport. This isn't just a simple shelter, it's a fortress for your vehicles. With 2 by 2 diameter steel tubes and a galvanized steel roof, this structure isn't just built to last, it's built to protect. But let's talk about space, because this is where the Real Relax really stands out. At 20 by 20 feet, you're not just covering a single car. This setup can easily accommodate 2 cars, trucks, or even tractors, and still leave you with extra room for tools, storage, or even an outdoor workspace. Now here's something impressive: the waterproofing. High-quality, waterproof tape at the seams and metal washers on the screws ensure that water stays out, no leaks, no unexpected drips. And when it comes to stability, those 10 ground anchors and 4 support legs aren't just for show. They're designed to withstand strong winds and heavy snowfall, keeping everything secure season after season. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. Many customers praise the sturdiness and value, but some have raised concerns about long-term durability. And here's a heads up: the carport ships in 5 separate boxes, so patience is key during assembly. One thing I do appreciate: the brand's commitment to customer service. They encourage direct communication if you run into any issues, which shows they stand behind their product. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more. And let me know in the comments. Would this carport work for you? Check the description box for links to all the products mentioned, and be sure to watch this video for more reviews and comparisons.